The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in every practical sense is actually serious areas of strength for quite and in every practical sense, significant way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 57 cents, which explicitly shows that the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar certainly is actually most certainly solid in a very significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo basically is drifting at $1,210,373, exhibiting how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 57 cents, which most certainly shows that the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar fundamentally is areas of strength for truly, in every practical sense, is very huge. Nexo truly acquired roughly 2.74% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in a huge manner, 18 September 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time. Essentially sought clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is truly transient cost expectation for Nexo? Really is Nexo a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth, which explicitly shows that Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us fundamentally discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783, exhibiting that 18 September 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues. Facts. What in a real sense is all things considered, transient cost expectation for Nexo, in every way that really matters? Is Nexo a truly wise interest in an extremely significant manner? The complete exchanging volume basically remains at $25,060,241,952, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%, showing how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, showing how Nexo really acquired roughly 2.74% inside the in every practical sense most recent 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%. Showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9% in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a truly descending course for momentary in a kind of significant manner. Right now, a general negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a kind of significant manner. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how the especially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $25,060,241,952, which especially is genuinely huge. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become genuinely more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Truly further appearance, how Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly shows that Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in every practical sense, significant way. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which dealers most certainly become move essentially dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The genuinely current Nexo cost certainly is 57 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,210,373 in the beyond 24 hours, which especially shows that market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783, exhibiting that 18 September 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Nexo cost investigation for now or for the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified pressing issues. Facts. What sort of is certainly transient cost expectation for Nexo? Truly is Nexo an excellent venture, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, Nexo explicitly is up by 2.74% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $321,904,512 United States dollars, which for the most part is very critical. Nexo cost examination. Nexo cost investigation for 18 September 2023, in sight of fundamentally day-to-day time period, basically made sense of underneath. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving commonly normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving certainly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Nexo, truly further appearance how similarly. Opposition generally is a level at which dealers especially become move really dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very critical. The Nexo fundamentally has generally break all its truly upholds levels and things in every practical sense are not looking sort of really great for the crypto market, showing how following